Hey gang, caffeine BS, November 3rd, 2019. Real coffee. I get French roast beans, grind them myself. I use one of them, countertop, espresso, latte, making things. It's a Imusa, IMUSA. Works as bad as good as the Braun, that German brand one I had that burned out long ago, but it only cost like $20 instead of $100. So there's that. And I get my milk hot in the nuke. I make a really, 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 really potent cafe au lait. Sometimes café au lait avec chocolat. Warming the guts. So I was just waiting for the next power outage or Tuesday morning, whichever comes first. I mean, I could almost be like that Manhattan Project scientist who says he would have won because he betted zero. He said, "Oh, there was a infinite amount of chance of going from 0 to 1, which was the next number." So if it was 0.5, splitting a really thin gray hair there, doctor. Anyway, what happens first? I'm really hoping it's Tuesday morning with electricity. Go get a bus for the hospital. Catch a shuttle, go over the mountain to the other hospital, have my procedure. I'm just wondering, should I take like the tablet with me? So if I wake up and they say, "Oh, we're going to keep you here overnight," I can use their Wi-Fi and, "Hi, Poppy here. I'm in the hospital."